Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. The last class we discussed about some other reaction other than the CO bond making, that is called ethereal oxygen. Another one is the reaction on the alkyl and next one some other reaction. The continuation point. Now CH3 CH2 O CH2 CH3 react in presence of BF3 catalyst release acid at nearly 150 degrees Celsius and nearly 500 atmosphere pressure actually react with carbon monoxide. This ether react with the carbon monoxide with this catalyst. I will let somewhat distance. Then we will get this CO will be added here. CH3 CH2 C double bond O, this O. This is C double bond O here and O. Next is CH2, CH3. This is ester form. Ethyl propanoate. 3 carbons are there. This ethyl. This is called ethyl propanoate. Ester formation. Same react with the CH3, C double bond O, Cl. Acetyl chloride. Now, one of the side, for here bond breaking takes place consider. CH3, CH2, Cl, CH3, CH2, and here Cl. Now, this one part, CH3, C double bond O. This is already out, then which is left? O, O. This is CH2, CH3. This is also ester, this is also ester, but name is not same. Why? This is ethyl group, ethyl. This is 2 carbon, that's why ethanoate, ethyl ethanoate. If you take here acetic anhydride, this is called acetic anhydride. This is simply represent like this CH3, CO taken to O. This acetic anhydride. So, for example, this side bond breaking consider, or this side, that is your choice. Now, CH3, CH3, C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O. This C double bond O react with this form O, CH2, and CH3. This part CH3, C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O, CH3, double bond O, and react with this form CH2, CH3. Both are same. It means 2 mole form. What's the name? This is same. That's why ethyl ethanoate. Same name, but 2 moles form when you are using acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. This is called acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Reactant same here. Now, oxidation reaction. Now, this ether CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3 react with the K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium or KMnO4 in acidic medium. This undergo oxidation 2 moles of CH3, CHO, estolated form 2 moles here and here. But we cannot solve reaction with the K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4 already in all chapter. Immediately it converts into which one? Same reaction, immediate oxidation and convert into carboxylic acid. We cannot convert this into carboxylic acid form product. So these are some other reactions of the ether. Now aromatic part we have to discuss. In this aromatic part, we know this is a benzene. On benzene, this is a O, here R, any R group. For example, R group I am considering now. O, C, H3. This R group I am considering CS. This is a pair of electrons. Now, NH2 group is a good electron donor to the benzene ring. OH group also good electron donor to the benzene ring. OR group also good electron donor to the benzene ring. But order of electron donor is like this. If here NH2 is there, electron density increases in the benzene ring. OH is there, electron is increased, OR also increases. But which will be more donor to the benzene ring? NH2 more donor, next to OH, next to OR. This order we have to remember. I think in the first week you are well known about this. Now we will try this resonance structures. This pair of electron will come here, this pair will come here. Then we will get here double bond, here negative charge. Double bond OCH3 here positive charge. Now this will be comes to here and this will be comes here. These are called delocalization of pi electron. Here double bond, OCH3 positive charge, here negative charge. This negative will comes to here, this will be comes to here. Then we will get double bond, negative charge, OCH3 plus. Again this will be shifted here, this will be shifted here, then we will get the initial structure type. Double bond, OCH3, double bond. These are the resonance structures of this called anisole. Common name also, IUPAC name also is anisole. Common we have to remember this. Otherwise, methoxybenzene also get problem. But this is IUPAC considered IUPAC name also. Now, negative charge for autopolation, parapolation, again autopolation. But negative charge is not present at the metabolization. Negative charge is known as again nucleophile type. It means electron rich. Then electrophile will bond at ortho or para position but not at meta position because there is no electron density at the meta position. It bonded at which position? Ortho or para position. That's right. OCH3 is ortho para director. Ortho-para director. It means electrophile will end again ortho-para position. Now one more reaction we will discuss. Okay. One of the reaction that is called electrophilic substitution reaction. These are electrophilic substitution reaction. Because this is nucleophile and electrophile is substituted at ortho or para position. Generally, para is major due to the steric inheritance and already present group. So now, one of the reactions I am discussing here, bromination. So we are well known about this reaction in the phenol chapter also. This is OH, not OH. Now I am discussing about the anisole part. So CH3. This anisole. This anisole reacts with the bromine in presence of a solvent CH3COOH protic solvent. This is polar protic solvent. Now, here as I am not using FeCl3, FeBr3, AlCl3, zinc chloride like this I am not using because in the last class also we discussed in the phenol. Phenol is OH group is good electron donor to the benzene ring, good nucleophile character, and this Br bond also good polar bond which easily bond break like this Br minus this Br plus easily break down. That's why here that such type of character is not required. Then we will get here double bond OCH3. One is ortho product, another is para product. This is Br. This is a major. Due to steric inheritance, this is a minor product. This is a major product. Para bromo anisole or 4 bromo anisole. 4 bromo anisole. This is 2 bromo anisole, major product here. But like this, we may ask the question, why not here 2 tribromoanisole is formed because bromine in water. Last class we used in the phenol, that time it is formed on 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Sorry, nitration, not bromination. Bromine in water 2,4,6 tribromophenol formed when bromine in water used. If you use here also possible or not, but in one of the it is given anisole react the bromine with the Lewis acid, that time it formed 2,4,6. In your textbook, this is only the extra part I am writing down. This anisole CH3 react with the bromine and it react with the FeBr3. Then you will get here Br and here OCH3. 2,4,6 tribromoanisole you will get when you are using this here. Then already I told you have no need to use. If you use, then you will get this R2 and para. If you use FeBr3, use also no problem. But you will get all equation will be substituted. If you don't use also no problem, you will get the R2 para product. That is a condition. Next, nitration. If you use this anisole reacts with the concentrated HNO3 concentrated H2SO4, then we will get OCH3 NO2 orthogonation one product, another is para product. Same thing, 4-bromoanisole is it? It is a major product. This minor. Then we can write 4-nitroanisole. This is form. This is a major. No need to write any other description on this. Simplest. Next, alkylation. Friedel Crafts alkylation. Now, this anisole react with methyl chloride, consider for example, in presence of AlCl3. Now, this bond being difficult, that's why you have to use this one AlCl3 catalyst. Then we will get here OCH3, CH3. Alkylation, alkyl will substitute ortho parabolation. Here Cl and orthogonation H or parabolation H is formed by HCl. In this also here is main parabolation. What is the name of this? 4-methyl-anisole. 4-methyl-anisole. But its name like this also may be given because both are substituent. Both are substituent. This is not a good functional group here. This is also considered substituent. That's it. It is a totally considered story. And this is a substituent. 4-methoxy-toluene. Like this also will consider. According to your text, you can follow which name is given. So I hope this text will give maybe 4-methoxy-toluene also. This is 2-methoxy-toluene. So name very important for competitive exam. Now, this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Same thing, I am not ready to complete. You have to remember Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In this, OCH3 react with the acetyl chloride, C double bond of Cl, and AlCl3 or FeCl3 also no problem. AlCl3. Then we will get here OCH3, C double bond of CH3. Here moderate this Cl out, H and Cl out. Then HCl will get out. Otherwise, para product will form. This para product C double bond to CH3. Now, this is anyway this is a major product. But what is the name? Now it is a good function here. S2, this keto group. This is a substituent. 4-methoxy-acetophenol. What do you call this? 4-methoxy-acetophenol. This H2, phenyl group is H2 phenyl group. So this is a major. It's named 2-methoxy H2 Okay. Then sulfonation, I hope not here. If sulfonation also will react, then we will get here 2 position SO3H and 4 position SO3H. Like this product formation possible. But I hope it is not in your textbook. With this, all aromatic substitution reactions are completed. Simply, all what you call chlorobenzene, phenol, anisole, in this all reaction, generally para product is major, but some cases may be ortho major due to hydrogen bond formation. So that we have to consider. Maximum cases which is a major product, para. Sometimes ortho product is major. Reason we have to identify it may be from hydrogen bond. Otherwise, maximum cases para product is a major. Now, one of the small case I am discussing here. This part. This is cyclic ether. This is single bond only. This is single bond. Cyclic ether. Its name oxidane, IUPAC name. Otherwise, ethylene oxide is common name. Otherwise, epoxide. This is common name. Oxidane is IUPAC. Its reactivity we have to discuss because comparative part important. This part I hope is not given in textbook, but comparative little bit. Only two reactions are the two reaction analysis. Now I am discussing about the oxidane. Due to this angle strain, these are highly reactive. Due to this angle strain, we are nearly how much? 60 degree. Triangle how much? 60 degree only this part. So due to this angle strain, these are highly reactive. Now its reactivity in acidic medium, its reactivity in basic medium we have to discuss. Small difference will be there. When there is no substituent, then there is no difference in acidic medium and basic medium. When substituent is in, that time we will get some difference. Now consider, I am writing out downwards this group. This is one substituent I give, methyl group. Now, acidic medium first, and any one of the nucleophile, NU, like this one, any nucleophile. Second one, that is, first one connection is basic medium, and second one is any nucleophile. Then what will be the product formation? That we have to do. For example, this nucleophile is consider H2O 18, it is oxygen labeling with the 18 atomic mass. Here also nucleophile is H2O, it is called 18 label nucleophile. Then what are the product formation? Now I am discussing about the acidic medium. Acidic medium respectively I am discussing. This is seen as this. In acidic medium, the H plus always attack on this more electronegative atom. Like this attack. Positive charge. One electron loss pressure. Next, nucleophile attack. Here what is the nucleophile? H2O 18. Nucleophile attack should be from the less hindered. This is more bulky group. Here there is no group. That's why it attack from the right side will not attack from the left side because this is one bulky group present. That's why this position will not attack the ring opening. So keep in mind in acidic medium, this nucleophile attack from the less hindered side. There is now attack from the less hindered side. This is prevented. This is not correct way because due to the steering current. This is correct way to attack. Then this will be open. Then we will get CH3, CH, OH. Next is CH2. This CH2, One small mistake happened. Like this. Now, first it open the ring itself. It open the ring may be possibility this direction also or this direction also. Or whatever I think is wrong first. So possibility is A path consider, this B path consider. Now I am discussing about path A. Then what we will get? Here positive charge. Clear? Here positive charge. Line is open. Next path B consider. And here positive charge. This is primary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation. This carbon bond at 2. Secondary carbocation. Which carbocation is stable? Secondary carbocation is stable than the primary. Then we will get here. Now this H2O nucleophile will attack toward this one and form OH. Now H2O 18 and positive charge. Later it will be eliminated like this and convert to 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon. Here 1, 2, 3 OH and here also OH. This is 18 along with the H plus element. This H plus element. Clear? This is a mechanism. Otherwise, according to this one, if OH attack and H2 attack, then what will get here? H2O 18, this carbon on this O 18. Now due to this eliminate and we will get 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon OH 18 here OH. Observe these two. Here secondary carbon having O18, here primary carbon having O18. This is a major product due to stable carbocation formation. This is a minor product. In acidic medium this is. In basic medium, what will happen? Now I am discussing in basic medium. Here, same reactant. Now basic medium OH first nucleophile attack. This is electron density, here also electron density is there. Both will not attack or react. Then it will attack from the less hindered side, not to more hindered side. This direction is prohibited. This is considered. Then we will get this bond breaking. Negative charge. 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon. Next OH is attacked. Next is nucleophile. H2O 18 considered. Then this will give proton here. It gives only proton. Then what happened here? One H plus given and OH minus is eliminated and here 18 is. Got the concept? That's why O18 label nucleophile here not there. Both are OH minus only. But O18 label H2 if you use any one of the OH having the O18. That is the difference. Now simply I am giving this one mechanism. Consider like this. This is a reactant. Now I am not giving any substituent. This RO minus Na plus. the first step, H2O, the second step, or H3O plus cancel. This is acidic medium. Second step, acidic medium, or ideal cancel. That's why we have H2O only. H2O. This is the second step. What is the product from here? Another one, NaCl. First step. Second step, H2O. What is the product from here? Next, RMGH is the first step. Second step is H2O. Next one, lithium aluminium hydride is the first step. Second step, water. So what are the product possible? You have to write. I'm not writing all this mechanical product because I explain very clear, very simple. With this, what is the product form? That product I will write here. Major product only I will write. So here this is major product 1, 2, OH and OH. This is the major product. But in this case, in basic medium, 1, 2, 3, OH and here OH. Same product is there, but here O18 labeling is there. Here there is no O18 labeling. That is the difference. Keep in mind in acidic medium H plus attack first oxygen, next carbocation form, then only meter value. But in basic medium, OH is first attack from the less hindered side. But here the H2 attack on carbocation. But here OH will attack to this ether only, but less hindered. That is the difference between the acidic medium and basic medium. With this, all this alcohol phenol